We'll guide you through how to combine multi-chat in OBS Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
To get started, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking and just go ahead and search for Caster Lab and then press enter. After that, just go to the official website for it and now choose to download for Windows. And now just go ahead and click on download. And now you can see our download has been successfully started. So once that it has finished downloading, you can just go ahead and open your file explorer and then navigate to your downloads folder and then just double click on the Caster Lab application. Just click on yes if prompted. After that, you will see the setup appear. Just go ahead and click on next and just read through the license agreement and click on I agree. Click on next and choose your destination folder and just click on install. Just click on finish and now go to your Windows search bar and search for Caster Lab and then just go ahead and open it. And you can see the Caster Lab is opening. Just wait for it to finish downloading the updates. Just click on allow if prompted. And after that, your Caster Lab should open. Now here you will see choose a platform to get started with. So let's say I want to go with Twitch and Kick, but you can add YouTube also. You can add D Live, you can add TikTok, and you can even add Loco. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with Twitch and Kick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select it and then log in with my Twitch account. So I'll just authorize it and now you can see it is saying success. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back and just go ahead and go to settings and go to accounts. And now I'm just going to go ahead and connect my Kick. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on connect. And now just go ahead and log in with the ID and you can see it has been successfully done. So just go ahead and click on docs and then choose to click on stream chat. After that, open your OBS Studio and go to docs at the top. And then from here, choose custom browser docs. And then here in the URL field, you can just go ahead and press Ctrl V to paste whatever was copied and you can enter your doc name. After that, just go ahead and apply it and now you can see the doc will be successfully applied. So I'm just gonna go ahead and left click and drag it somewhere around left side and now you can see our docs has successfully appeared. So you can just close this and now you can see you can choose your platform. So I'm just gonna go ahead and test it. So for Twitch, I'm just gonna go ahead and type test and then press enter and you can see the username for Twitch and I will do the same for Kick also. And here you can see different names are appearing. So if I want them to change to show the platform they're using, just click on the gear icon and here make sure you toggle on show the user platform. Just like that, it is successfully displaying the platform that they are on. So now let's add it to our stream. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the plus icon for sources and click on the plus icon and then choose browser and here you can rename your browser source and click on OK. And then again, just go ahead and delete the existing URL and press Ctrl V to paste the URL that we copied earlier. And just click on OK. And then your chat should successfully appear. Now I'm just going to resize it to my liking. And now let's try to make it transparent. So after that, just right click on your source once again and then go with filter. And here click on the plus icon for filter and go with chroma key and click on OK. Just click on the drop down for key color type and choose custom color. And then here, just go ahead and click on select color. Now here, click on pick screen color and then select your overlay and then click on OK. And after that, make sure to drag the similarity, smoothness and key spill reduction to the minimum so your now chat is visible. After that, you can just go ahead and close this. And now you can see our chat is now successfully transparent also.